Hello everyone. So today is a Kahoot, but I wanted to show you this video so you can see what the Kahoot's going to be like. So the Kahoot is going to give you a picture of a graph, and sometimes the equation, right, this blue equation is next to the blue line. Okay, but sometimes like this red equation, like the red equation's up here and the red line's down here. So sometimes this differs. So sometimes it might be on the graph like with the line. Sometimes it might be like up on the page. So this is the same stuff we've been doing. Okay, we got the red line graphed here, and we got the blue line graphed here. And it's going to ask for the solution. And the solution is just the point where they intersect. So your solution would be 1, 3. And that's what you would select on the Kahoot. You would select 1, 3. Now, there are some other words that you may not be familiar with that pertain to the next two types of graphs. So right here we have these two lines here. These lines are parallel. Remember our former vocab word from about a month ago. So that means these lines never touch. So there actually is no solution because these two equations, they never touch each other. So that means they're never equal. So that means there is no solution to the systems of equations. And we haven't seen this yet. I haven't introduced it to you guys yet. I just saved it for the end just so you guys could see and get a lot of practice with the two touching. So if they're parallel, which again, these will already be graphed for you. Literally, this will be the example of the question, and that will be the button in Kahoot that you select will be no solution. And the last type is actually the same line. So here, this red line and then this blue line, the blue line kind of like trickles out from the red line. If you add x here to both sides, you get y equals x plus 3. So it's the same line. So at every single point on this line, there is a solution, which means this is an infinite amount of solutions. So that would be what you pick, infinite solutions. Okay, so same line is infinite. Parallel lines are no solution. And then if they touch, where they touch is your one solution to that systems of equations. So the Kahoot, again, is going to be the same thing. Graphs already graphed for you. You have to pick the actual solution if there is one, or if there's no solution, or if there's an infinite number of solutions.